Hey, Emma, can you close that for me? Come here. Emma? Yeah, come here, Emma. Can you close this for me? Yeah, Mommy doesn't know how to close it. That's right. Yay! Thank you. You're such a good help.
Good job, Emma. Good job.
Emma, who am I?
Mama?
Yeah, who are you? You're Emma.
Emma!
What's that? What is that? Is that your nose?
No.
What about these?
E.
Yeah, how about these? Are these your feet?
E.
How about those? Are those your feet?
Me.
Yeah.
Me.
Can you go get your bunny? Your bunny wants to be with you.
Oh.
Now who's this? Is that your daddy?
Papa.
Yeah, it's your Bobby.
Hi, Emmy.
Daddy.
Emmy, can you give Mommy a kiss? Thank you. How about give Daddy a kiss? Give Bunny a kiss. Bunny wants to kiss you.
Say bye-bye, Emmy.
Say bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna think. Emma, do you want to go say